Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to change username on Reddit. So simply open the Reddit app. So here you can see this is the main interface of Reddit app. So what you need to do, just on the top right corner you can see this icon. Just click here. Now here you can see there are multiple options available here, but what we need to do, just click on my profile. So when you click on my profile, here you can see the edit option. So simply click here. So here you can type your display name, like I am typing my name. So after this you need to click on save. So here you can see our username has been changed. So in this way you can change your username on Reddit app.